Hello students, so this is a very amazing book by EduCart for ICSE Class 10. So this is Mathematics One Shot, a habit forming best selling question bank for daily practice. Now here they are introducing unit test worksheets, the pull out worksheets as well. I'll show you how it is. Okay, so in this book there are hand-picked important chapter wise questions. So let's see how you can practice just few days before your exam. So here you, through this scan code, you can find out your ICSE board paper for 2025. You can scan QR to download the question paper. Now these are the chapters. Okay, now for each chapter there are 4 worksheets and the solutions for them. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so there is this unique practice concept. This book is especially designed to form a habit of quick practice, easily doable 10 to 25 questions in each sitting via worksheets of every important ICSE source. Okay, and this is, so that's why this is truly one shot. All the board exam questions, previous year's questions, all are mentioned, and chapter wise worksheets are also there, 45 minutes for each, and there will be 10 questions. So I'll show you that also. Now let's start. So these are the different chapters that are coming for your board exams. So 80 marks will be for your theory and 20 marks will be for your internal assessment. Okay, so if you see this first worksheet, this is for on goods and services tax. Okay, you can scan this QR code to download the special chapter video of this goods and service tax if you want to practice this chapter and understand the concepts. Okay, now there are direct questions, okay, multiple choice questions, then there are case based questions, short questions, then previous year's questions, long questions, competency based questions, short answer type, and then you have push yourself, which is high difficulty questions for self assessment. Now there are the solutions. These are the answer key first. Okay, so this is the detailed solution with the explanation for direct questions, previous year's questions, and competency based questions. Okay, in detail, every step by step how the examiner wants the answer to be solved is given here. And you can scan the QR code to download the solution of the last part, that is push yourself. Now again, similarly, all the chapters are given here. Now, after you cover all the chapters through 4 worksheets of each chapter, okay, in the end you have been given pull-out worksheets. Okay, so these are in this, for example, goods and service tax chapter 1, 10 questions are there, duration is 45 minutes. So here are the questions. Now at the end they have also mentioned that this is analysis and evaluation type of question, this is understanding and evaluation type of question. Which type of question is there, that is also given. For example, if you see here, application and evaluation, okay, analysis. So these are the questions, the worksheets. You can just pull out these worksheets like this, you can tear these pages and solve, and then scan the QR code to download the detailed solution of these worksheets. So this way, last minute preparation, these are very amazing source. So I'll give you the link of this particular book in the description below, and you can check out the EduCart website and on Amazon as well.